it on. Alright, here we are again. Just showing you some of the fish that we catch. This is a red snapper, big goldfish kind of. Big king salmon. Black bass.
Are they?
Silver salmon. Halibut. White on one side, brown on the other. What else we got here? These are lingcod.
Oh. Good job.
They have big teeth. And those are the boats that we. These are the boats that we drive. Right here. And this is where they clean the fish.
Here's the lodge.
And there's the lodge.
And here's our fearless leader cleaning fish. Say hi to our nieces.
I want to hear that song again. You got some headphones so I can just rock out to it for a minute?
Yeah.
Say hi to our nieces.
Hello.
Say hi to our nieces. Hello.
Show her the guts in there.
Those are all the fish guts.
We like the fish guys. Hey, I got a story for you today. Found a code.
Smile. Say bye.
Bye.
Cut plug, cut plug, cut plug.
Bye. Love you.
Quarter pound of
Aaron, wave at our nieces.
sliced cheddar cheese.